Introduction to Fidelity HSA. A health savings account or HSA is a tax-advantaged savings account available to individuals with high deductible health plans. Fidelity HSA is a type of HSA that allows you to save for medical expenses while also providing investment opportunities. Key concepts. To get started with Fidelity HSA, you need to understand some key concepts. First, you must have a high deductible health plan to be eligible for an HSA. The money you contribute to your Fidelity HSA is tax deductible and the funds grow tax-free. You can use the money in your HSA to pay for qualified medical expenses such as doctor visits, prescriptions, and hospital stays. How to open a Fidelity HSA. To open a Fidelity HSA, you can visit the Fidelity website and follow the online application process. You will need to provide some personal and financial information and fund your account with an initial contribution. You can also transfer funds from an existing HSA or make a rollover contribution from an IRA. Investing your Fidelity HSA. Once your account is open, you can start investing your Fidelity HSA funds. Fidelity offers a range of investment options including mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, and individual stocks. You can choose from a variety of asset classes and risk levels to create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals. Using your Fidelity HSA. To use your Fidelity HSA, you can pay for qualified medical expenses directly from your account. You can also use a debit card or checks to pay for expenses. It is essential to keep receipts and records of your expenses in case of an audit. Best practices. To get the most out of your Fidelity HSA, follow some best practices. Contribute as much as possible to your account each year and take advantage of the tax benefits. Invest your funds wisely and monitor your portfolio regularly. Keep track of your expenses and receipts to ensure you are using your account correctly. Conclusion. A Fidelity HSA is a valuable tool for saving for medical expenses while also providing investment opportunities. By understanding the key concepts and following some best practices, you can make the most out of your Fidelity HSA and achieve your financial goals.